I love the smell of eucalyptus. The audio is completely unusable. It's the audio. What's the holdup? We're having some sound issues.
Hi gardeners and eucalyptus fans. Today we have a short educational video directly from Záhradník Kertész Dunakiliti, and it's made especially for you. Before we get into the tips, one important thing. This winter was extremely unfavorable for eucalyptus. It was very wet and damp, with constant rain and snow. Last winter, on the other hand, was dry, which is why eucalyptus did very well. So if you've had your eucalyptus for several years and had no problems after last winter, but this year you're seeing black spots, brown leaves, or dried leaves, it's clearly caused by this damp and gloomy weather. But don't worry, we can probably still save it and bring it back to life. The first thing to notice, dark spots on the leaves. That's a fungal infection called leaf spot. The cause is usually overly humid air, poor air circulation, or soil that is too wet. The fungus gradually damages the leaves until they dry out and fall off. The second issue, brown and brittle leaves. This means the plant has dried out. Either it didn't get enough water, it was damaged by frost, or paradoxically, it was overwatered. Yes, standing water around the roots can cause the roots to rot and the plant to dry out. So what should you do now? Check the stem, gently scrape the bark with your fingernail. Green tissue means the plant is alive, brown means that part is dead. Cut off all dry and infected leaves. Eucalyptus can regenerate very well from healthy wood. And spraying. For fungal infections, products like Signum or Dithane DG Neotech can help. They are broad spectrum and very effective. If you suspect the problem is coming from the roots, try Magnicure Energy, which works mainly when applied through watering. Prefer a natural approach? Try a spray made of water, baking soda, and a drop of dish soap, but if the infection is severe, this usually won't be enough. A few final tips. Spray in the evening or early morning, not in direct sunlight. Dispose of infected plant waste or burn it. Do not compost it. And if eucalyptus is grown indoors, which I generally don't recommend, make sure there is good airflow and ventilate regularly, because fungi love stagnant, humid air. So gardeners, if your eucalyptus is dropping leaves over the winter or has black spots, now you know why and how to save it. Let us know in the comments if you've tried these tips and whether your eucalyptus is still alive. And don't forget to share this video so other eucalyptus fans know what to do.
Golden lens can be legit. Na slnku sa leskne, where the highway starts and the world ends. Moje rastliny sú ako dielo umelecké. A glitch in the matrix, a kiss in the light. Eukalypty tu majú svoj vlastný štýl. We're chasing the sun into permanent night. Kertész a sú vždy plné vône a síl. Don't slow down, don't look back. Hey, get an Erezd, a kertnek vará sa van. Keep our love on this one-way track. Itt az Eucalyptus fák, a maguk ritmuszára